Greetings! Ah, Freeman, do you think we should appeal? The administrator is very... Another important species revealed in action.
You Charlie bastard!
Absolutely not. I'm not so sure I want to go to the surface. What if the world finds out what we were doing down here?
Negative, you! Alien ass!
Please, leave me alone until after the experiment.
Oh, shit! Hey, bastard!
Freeman, you fool!
Go for that, Charlie!
Roger that. Let's run like hell.
Oh my.
Aim for the head if you can find it.
You bastard!
Do you smell something burning?
Freeze!
Stop! My God, what are you doing?
Bring it on! Don't make me do this.
Don't shoot! I'm with the science team! Oh my God, we're doomed! Take me with you. I'm the one man who knows everything. It's not our fault, I tell you.
Any idea how many of our crew have died?
Freeman, you fool!
It can't get any worse than this, can it? It's hard to say. Man, that sounded bad.
Damn you all! God, you tick! Ass! You area! Shit!
Man, did you see that shot?
Yeah!